Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase download speed in Google Chrome. First, you have to go to Chrome Flag site. You'll find the exact address in the address bar. Then, in the next window, you have to type parallel and search for parallel downloading feature. When it shows up, change it from default to enabled and select relaunch in the bottom right corner. Now the download speed should be increased. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.